Hey there, magical bakers and movie buffs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Uh, it's time to whip up some enchanting treats because Harry Potter Wizards of Baking is back for a second season. Have you ever um, dreamt of stepping into the world of Hogwarts and devouring a delectable cauldron cake? You might be surprised to know that you can actually experience this magic without even casting a spell. Uh, that Warner Brothers Television is bringing back the Food Network's competition series, where teams of talented pastry chefs and cake artists compete to create edible masterpieces inspired by the wizard world. The first season of Harry Potter Wizards of Baking was a hit with fans. Uh, we saw amazing creations inspired by iconic locations like Platform 9 and 3-4, Gringotts Bank, and the Great Hall of Hogwarts. We even had special guests like Warwick Davis, Evanna Lynch, and Bonnie Wright, who graced us with their presence and helped judge the magical treats. Now, the second season is here, and it's more magical than ever. This season promises to be even sweeter with new challenges, more magical creations, and even a special appearance by Fawkes, Dumbledore's Phoenix companion. The show is filmed at the Warner Brothers Studios, Lewiston, the same place where all 8 Harry Potter films were made. That's right. You're actually watching Pastry Magic unfold in the very same locations you've seen in the movies. Um, um, it's like a dream come true for any Harry Potter fan. And this show is a perfect blend of baking magic and nostalgia. And we're sure to see some mind-blowing creations this season. If you think baking is all about following a recipe, think again. Uh, these talented bakers are true artists. They're transforming cakes, cookies, and even chocolate into fantastical creations that would make even Hagrid drool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.